In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the underline on a text link in Mailchimp. Whether you're working on refining your email campaigns or simply want to give your design a cleaner, more professional look, understanding how to adjust hyperlink formatting is a handy skill. Mailchimp is a powerful email marketing tool, but small design tweaks can sometimes be tricky to figure out. Removing underlines from links is one of those things that seems simple but can make a big difference in the visual appeal of your emails. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, head over to the Campaigns section. This is where all your email campaigns, both drafts and active ones, are stored. If you've already got a specific draft or campaign in mind that you want to edit, select it from the list. Once you've located it, click on the Edit Design button to get into the editing interface. Now, once you're in the design editor, you'll need to locate the text block that contains the hyperlink you want to modify. This part is important because Mailchimp organizes your email content into blocks. So identifying the right block is the first step to making any changes. Once you've found the text block, click on it to enable editing. You'll notice that your text becomes editable, and a toolbar for formatting options will appear above the block. With the text block now in editing mode, the next step is to highlight the text that contains the hyperlink. Simply click and drag your cursor over the portion of text that's linked. This is the part you want to modify, so make sure you've selected it carefully. Now, look at the editing toolbar that's appeared just above the text block. You'll see various options for formatting such as bold, italic, font size, and so on. The one you need to focus on is the underline icon. It's represented by a U with a line underneath it. Once you've located that icon, go ahead and click on it. This will toggle the underline formatting off for the selected text. At this point, you might need to wait a moment for the change to apply in the editor. Mailchimp's design interface usually updates pretty quickly, but it's always a good idea to double-check that the underline has indeed been removed. Take a look at the text to confirm that the hyperlink now appears without the underline. With the underline removed, it's important to preview your email to make sure everything looks the way you want it to. Mailchimp's preview feature allows you to see how your email will appear on both desktop and mobile devices, which is crucial for ensuring your design is consistent and visually appealing across different platforms. Take a moment to review your email in the preview mode, paying close attention to the updated hyperlink. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, remember to save your changes. This ensures that your edits are applied and that your email is ready to go when you're ready to send it out. And that's it. Removing an underline from a hyperlink in Mailchimp is a simple process, but it's a great way to fine-tune your email design and make your campaigns look more polished. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.